Welcome back to the Corvette Posse channel. We got back here with Jason again. Got B over there. And what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about some protection on your car. So the cars, when they come from the factory, they come up with this PPF paint protective film, and it kind of sits here in the corners like this, and it does get beat up, and you can see it just gets beat up after a while. So what we're going to do is, since we got Jason has his skirts on, we don't really need to have it extending all the way out here, but we're going to replace this, get some clean on there, and maybe just kind of bring it up a little bit and kind of do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make the forms, and we'll get this stuff off, make a form for a new set, and we'll put that on, put the new on. But first, today's video, we have a sponsor for today's video. Today's video is sponsored by the fine folks at Schlitz, the beer that made Milwaukee famous. Schlitz, fine, cool, and refreshing. Go for the gusto. Just kidding. I really wish they would sponsor me because I like the beer, but anyway, we'll go ahead. We're gonna take and we're gonna heat this up and just peel it off with a razor blade. It makes it just a little easier to get it off. All right, so after you get that off, what we use a little bit denatured alcohol and a microfiber towel to clean off some of that residue to get the surface all clean so we can apply the new film. Okay, so we got all the film off, and we're going to go ahead and start making our forms. What we do is we just use some tape, go around the outline, and create our form that way, and then we pull it off, put some paper on it, and then cut it out of the film.
easier, I guess.
Okay, so now we got our form or tape form kind of laid out, so we'll put some paper backer on it and we'll be set to go. Couple more pieces of paper.
Trying to make it on my own, breaking down on every road, come too far to get back home. And on top of it all, every step along the way, I've heard so many people say, maybe it's time to let this go. Oh, they say my time is past, slipping through the hourglass. I should just pack up and go home, but I guess I don't know when to quit, and I don't give a no. I don't know when to quit, and I don't give a no. I won't give up. I'm not thinking about giving in. No, I don't know when to quit, and I don't give a shit. No.
Okay, so just using the baby water and, or I'm sorry, the water and the baby soap, just clean up and prep the area. Self-healing, so it makes a little scratch. And it's just in the sun, scratches are on it. All right, there we go. Obviously, we won't be able to see this because it's a clear bra, but that went on really, really well, and looks like it sat down pretty nice. So I think we're in good shape. We'll go ahead and just flip the form and do the other side and wrap this up. All right, so we got Jason's car all set up with the paint protective film back here. It looks pretty good, wrapped up nice, and of course we've got the. I'll get over here. Now we've got them all branded up with Corvette Posse, so. Good to go, Jason? Good to go? All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button up there. We'll talk to you next time.